At Siemens, we strive to bring new, innovative solutions to our customers. Recently, Opcenter and Mendix joined forces to provide a unique approach to build and personalize the MES user interfaces. Today, we'll listen to some feedbacks from real-life usage of this new solution. Customers need a rich and mature product, which is, however, flexible enough to change and evolve. As Siemens, we are often the first ones to see how beneficial this combined approach can be when proposing it to our customers, and we want to share with you some of our own experiences.
I remember an opportunity we won with a large automaker in the US. As part of a proof of concept, they asked us to create an ad hoc inspection application to use on the shop floor. We had all the functionalities within Opcenter execution to create this inspection application, but not exactly in the manner that they expected their operators to use it. It was like having all the ingredients of a cake, but not knowing how to put them together to actually make the cake. We were able to utilize the low-code functionality of Mendix to personalize the end user experience using the basic functionalities that already existed inside of Opcenter. And I believe doing this in such a short amount of time was a huge turning point for us, and it helped the customer visualize the solution they're about to buy and ultimately make a more informed decision. For our customers, the benefits of a personalized approach to manufacturing execution based on a low-code solution don't stop at the supplier selection phase. They also extend into the project and implementation phase, where personalized screens and applications using Mendix integrated into Opcenter can be generated at a fraction of the time compared to traditional hard coding activities. And this is also very important for after go live once the system is operating. Customers' business processes on the shop floor are going to constantly evolve. And now with our integrated solution with Opcenter Foundation and Mendix, we can grow and evolve alongside with them.
Customers are now able to benefit from the richness of an out-of-the-box MES solution, augmented with the power and flexibility of low-code, as experienced Mendix partners such as Bizomeat immediately understood. Let's check out what they had to say about this.
At Bizomeat, we've been developing custom software solutions on the low-code Siemens Mendix platform for over 10 years now. During that time, we've learned that every organization is unique and often needs custom software solutions. Combining the speed and flexibility of the Mendix platform with a platform like Opcenter will give you a robust and leading MES that can be quickly and easily tailored to your specific needs, now and in the future. Mendix on top of Opcenter, the best of both worlds.
Another great advantage that this approach provides is the speed and ease with which customers' needs can be addressed. So let's now hear from Engineering US.
Hello, I'm David Caparis, the Director of the Discrete Practice here at Engineering Industries Excellence. Engineering has a very long-term partnership with Siemens, one of the leaders in Industry 4.0 technologies for manufacturing in the market. As the market evolves, new challenges come, marrying the process, the data, the systems to bring the best value to the market. Today, Siemens has married Opcenter and Mendix to accelerate that transformation cycle. Mendix, a low-code platform married with Opcenter, the best-in-class Industry 4.0 capabilities, helps us to accelerate business value to our clientele. In fact, today we're working with our customers, leveraging Mendix to optimize their front ends and thus their business interactions to bring that business value today. Siemens, along with engineering's long-standing partnership, has brought this to the market together.
Not only extending and personalizing MES screens is now much easier and require less skills, but it can be done in a much faster way, as Deloitte now will explain us.
Deloitte Consulting is globally one of the biggest firms for which regard digital transformation and MES and MOM implementation. As a Central Mediterranean firm, we invested a lot in the last 5 years to acquire competencies and to gain major projects. Today, with a team of about 70 people, we are delivering MES projects across several industries. The low-code capability provided by Opcenter today are, in my opinion, a real differentiator in delivering MES projects. The reason is that you can adapt in a faster way the customer needs, having the possibility to change the results in an easier way and also in a faster way. Having the possibility to perform minor changes nearly in real time. Talking about a real experience, today we are delivering an important MES project for a process industry with very tight deadlines in terms of time. Opcenter provided us the only chance to meet those deadlines. The team is working mainly together with the customer, focusing on the design and the layout of the screens. And we are able to provide immediate results to their needs. In my opinion, the low-code approach provided by Opcenter and Mendix is a real differentiator. We can deliver faster and with more quality to our customers.